to hear the sound of Omkara mentally. Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidakena Yopakarotam Davaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjali Pranatosmi Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Punattu Saha Virang Karavavahi Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahi Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slow and peaceful left hand side. Try to bend forward. Touch the shoulder to the ground. Like that. Open your eyes. Pranam here. Yesterday and day before yesterday. Serially. Keep your fingers back side. Back straight. Turn this way. You also turn little this way. You have to be able to see easily. Know the two exercise. Ready? 1 and forward. 2, 3, 4. Relax. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Now rotation. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. Protect yourself. Don't lift the knees. So stop. Relax. Now both legs together. Keep your legs together. Now with right side. Slowly start. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. Try yourself. Slowly stop. Relax. Now next, slowly bend right leg. Hold the toe with left hand. Keep your right hand here in between ankle and the calf muscles. Keep your back straight. Your leg looks little outside. Back straight. Slowly start. 1, 2. Big circle. Reverse. Try yourself. See front. Back is straight. Slowly stop. Relax. The same way with under leg. You hold the toe like this. Slowly start. Try yourself. Try to do big circle. Reverse. little above the knee. Right, right, right leg, right leg. One, try to touch your chest. Keep your foot little up. Two, heel up. Three, four, five, six. Another one. One, two, three, four, five, six. Relax. Now next, rotation. Bend the right leg, back straight, control rotation, right side, start. Slowly start. One, two, reverse. Try yourself. Big circle. Slowly stop. Relax. Now with another one. Slowly start. Try yourself. Reverse. Slowly stop. Relax. And now next hips on exercise. Half butterfly. Alternatively. Now hold the toe like this. Hold knee with right hand. Keep your back straight. Back straight. One, and touch the chest. Two, down. One, two, one, two. Slowly increase the speed. See front. Keep your back straight. Neck straight. Slowly stop. Relax. Now with under leg. Ready? One, touch. Two, one, two, slowly start. Keep your body straight. Slowly stop. Relax. Now rotation in half butterfly position. Slowly try to rotate. Traversal. Try to keep circle. Reverse. Slowly stop. Relax. Now under leg. Slowly start. Traversal slowly. And reverse. Hold like this. Slowly stop. Relax. Now Purna technique with both legs. Full butterfly. Slowly bend both legs. Try to touch the heel to your body. Back straight. One, lift up. Hold up. Two, one, two, one, two. Slowly continue. Lift as much as possible. Lift. Slowly stop. Relax. One more. Again, bring little nearer. Keep your both hands back side. One, lift up. Two, one, two. Slowly continue. Continue. Slowly stop. Again, look mirror. Now keep both hands on the knees. Back straight, neck straight. One, lift up. Two, one, two, slowly go up. One. Keep your neck little on exercise. We'll try bird walk afterwards. Ready? Keep it left and little legs. When you are bending, twisting the time you have to breathe out. Ready? Right hand to left leg. One. Lift your left hand up. Sit towards hand. Two. Front. Three. Hold the leg or two. Return. Four. Relax. Hands down. Observe once again. Hands down. One. Hold here or here. Lift the hands up. Hand up. Sit towards hand. Two. Three. Four. When our body twist, then you have to breathe out. Once again. Right hand to left leg. One. Hold the leg. Lift your hands up. Two. Three. Four. Once again. One. Breathe out. Legs together. Your knee and fingers will same line. Bring your hands little front. With the knee. Ready? Right hand. One. Two. Keep your left elbow on the ground. Right hand straight. Return. Three. Four. Now with left. One. Two. And straight. Touch to the head. Three. Four. When you are bending, then breathe out. Once again, right. One. Two. Breathe out. Three. Breathe in. Four. Once again with left. One. Two. Three. Front. Back straight. Back straight. Thumb inside. One. Two. Stretch as much as possible. Relax. Three. Four. Five. Six. Relax. Next. Ready? One. Two. Three. Four. Relax. Now the fist rotation. Ready? Thumbs inside. First with outside. Start. One. Two. Three. Reverse. Continue yourself. Slowly. Stop. Relax. Now exercise of the elbow. Ready? Palms upward. One. Two. Three. Four. Next, right side down. One. Two. Three. Four. Next. Relax. Now the exercise of the neck. Throughout the practice, you have to close the eyes. You have to practice. Back straight. Slowly close your eyes. Close the eye. Close your eye. Keep your both hands behind. Go. Left straight. Now first you have to touch your chin to the chest. One. Touch your chin to the chest. Deep for a while. Chin to the chest. Keep your neck straight. relax, keep your eyes closed. Now you try to touch right ear to right shoulder. Ready? 1, 2, left side. Try to touch your left ear to the left shoulder. 3, right side. 4, left side. Relax. Neck straight. Keep your eyes closed. Now we have to see for the right shoulder with closed eyes. Ready? 1, right side over the right shoulder. 2, now over the left shoulder. 3, over the right shoulder. Keep your eyes closed. 4, left. Relax. Next day, keep your eyes closed. Relax. Now, rotation. First, touch your chin to the chest with right side. Slowly try to rotate yourself. Try to do big circle. Try to do big circle. Leave as much as possible your head behind. Reverse. Slowly stop. Keep eyes closed and neck straight. Little rest. Now slowly open the eyes. Now we'll try for bird walk and animal walk. Stand the feet. Keep your both hands on the knee. Both hands on the knee. Slowly up. Slowly up. Go up. Continue. Continue. Bend your knees. Lift right hand with right leg. Left hand up. Slowly continue. Walk. Slowly up. Up. You can take Shavasana. If you want, you can ask something about communication part first. Not chest and stomach. In the Sashtanga Namaskara, you have to balance on the hands and the toes also. Ready? Come to Pranamudra. Pranamudra. Legs together. Legs together. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Feel that the energy of the sun and light of the sun is entering in our body. Now, Surya Mantra. Om Ravai Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Pushne Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkaya Namaha. Slowly bow down to the sun. hands down, neck straight, open the eyes. Now we will try Surya Namaskar. Ready? Pranamudra. One, bend little backward, keep your hands straight, hands and head together. Two, forward.
Try to touch your forehead to the knee. Now right leg. Three, right leg behind. See up. Left leg and both palms together. Legs little front. Four, see towards stomach. Front up. Sashtang. Five, see front. Six, see up. Seven, again towards stomach. The same leg. Right. Eight, right leg and both palms together. Bring your leg little forward. Nine, sit on the toe. Back straight. Back straight. 10.
Pranamudra. This is half round. One more half round. One, two,
Left leg. Three, see up. Four, sit your stomach. Five, sashtang, see front. Six, see up. Seven, sit your stomach. Same leg. Left. Eight, left leg and both hands together. 9, 10.
Pranamudra. One more round I'll try. One, two,
Sit hands to the side. Right leg. 3,
one, breathe in, two, breathe out, left leg, three, breathe in, see up, four, breathe out, sit your stomach, sashtang, five, hold outside, six, see up, breathe in, seven, again show stomach, breathe out, same leg, eight, breathe in, nine, breathe out, 10, breathe in, relax. Are you following the breath? 2, breathe out, 3, breathe in, 4, breathe out, 5, hold the breath outside, sashtang, 6, breathe in, 7, breathe out, 8, breathe in, 9, breathe out, 10, breathe in. Pranam. You try half round yourself. Ready? One, try. Relax, relax, relax.
observe your whole body.
Observe. Keep your neck straight. Observe your body.
Relax, breathe. Relax. Watch your breath. Watch your breath. Press air is entering your body. Feel your air is going out.
Good bend forward. To Marjara Seti. Keep little nearer. Your palms distance must be shoulders distance. Three, sit towards stomach. Lift your trunk up. Lift your trunk up. Sit towards stomach.
Keep your knee on the floor.
Four, see up. Trunk down. Once again. Three, sit towards stomach. Breathe out. Four, trunk down. Three, four, return. Five, see front. Six, stand up on the knee. Seven, sit in Vajrasana. Now we'll start, we'll try Vyagrasana. Ready? One, stand up on the knee. Two, Marshalsity. Now try to touch your knee to the nose. When you are touching, that time you have to breathe out. Now with right leg, 3, try to touch, right leg, 4, see up, bring your foot towards side, bend your leg. Again, 3, that touch to the nose, that touch knee to the nose. 4, see up, bend the leg, bend here. 3, 4, return. 5, knee on the ground. Now with another leg, 3, try to touch, keep your hands straight, 4, bend, 3, 4, keep your hands straight, 3, keep your hands straight, don't forget, 4, return, 5, knees on the ground, 6, stand up on the knee, 7, Vajrasana. Now we try for Shishankasana. Ready? Keep your both hands on the knee. 1. Keep your hands on the body straight. Touch your hands to the ear. While forward bending, you have to breathe out. Keep your hands on the body straight. 2, bend forward. Touch your forehead and both hands in the ground. Breathe normally. While turning, first you have to lift up hands. Return. 3, first lift hands. Lift up, sit straight. Lift up hands, sit straight. 4, hands down. Once again, try with breath. 1, breathe in. 2, breathe out. Return. 3, breathe in. 4, breathe out. Relax. Now we try for Murdhasana. Adjust something further. Head. 2, Marshalsity. 3, keep your crown on the ground. You try, if you are feeling problem, don't lift the hands up. You try. If you have got any neck problem, don't lift the hands. 4, lift your tongue up, leg straight. Now, if the person try to balance. 5, keep your both hands behind. Good. Return. 6, hands down. 7, is on the ground. 8, sit in between heels. 9, keep your forehead on the fist. Forehead on the fist. Keep the fist back. Sit in between heels. Sit in between heels, just like Vajrasana. Then slowly sit down. Now we'll try Viparit Karni. Lie down back. Viparit Karni. Ready? Legs together, hands side, palms facing downward. 1, completely both legs. 2, 60. 3, 90. Be there for a while. 4, try to bring your legs to your side. Lift trunk up. 5, hold the trunk. 6, legs straight.
leg backward. Return. 7, legs towards head. 8, and straight. 9, come to 90 degree. 10, 60. 11, 30. 12, relax. Bhujangasana. Lie down back and chest. Lie down chest. Legs hands straight. Legs straight. Hands side back. Ready? 1. Keep your palms beneath the shoulder. Keep your palms beneath the shoulder. Little back. 2. Slowly lift your chest up. See upward. Up to navel region you have to lift. Little down. Okay. Slowly turn. 3, 4. This is simple cobra posture, Sarala Bhujangasana. Now we'll try Bhujangasana. In Bhujangasana to lift hands and chest both. Ready? 1. Keep your both palms beneath the shoulder. Keep your chin on the ground. Chin on the ground. 2. Now lift palms and chest up. Lift your chest up. Lift. Return. 3, 4. Relax. Always try to keep your chin on the ground. If you put on the forehead, sometimes dust may be more. Keep your both fists side like this. 1. Place both fists in beneath the thighs. Both legs together. You have to lift both legs straight. 2. Lift your both legs straight. Keep your knees straight. Try to lift up as much as possible. Return. 3, 4. Relax. Other here. Come to Makrasana. Keep the fist like this. This is ready position. 1. Keep both fists under the thighs. 2. Lift the legs straight. Return. 3, 4. Once again, you try. Bend your both legs. 2. Hold the ankles. Hold the ankles. Now you have to pull hands by the legs and lift the chest up. Ready? 3. Lift the chest up. Go. Lift the chest up. Chest up. See out. Chest up. Elbow straight. Keep your elbow straight. Elbow straight. Pull the hands by the leg. See up. Return. 4, 5, 6. Relax. Now we try Dhanurasana. In Dhanurasana, we have to pull both hands and legs each other. Ready? I'll say. 1. Bend both legs. 2. Hold the ankles. Now you have to pull hands by the legs, legs with the hands. And you try to lift thighs and chest together. Ready? 3. Slowly lift up. Good. Elbow straight. Elbow straight. Good. Elbow straight. Lift both thighs and chest up. Good. Most of the room done. Return. 4, 5, 6. Relax. Relax. Slowly sit up. The bow posture comes major postures. We are doing with mixture. preparatory posture and major postures. Now, Pada Prasara Paschimottanasana, forward bending. Keep your legs straight, leg straight, keep distance in between legs. Ready? Hand side. One, lift your hands up. Forward bending, you have to breathe out, right side. Two, breathe out, hold the leg and tight touch your forehead to the knee. Breathe out. Three, other side. Four, breathe out. Try to hold with both legs, both hands. Breathe out. Five, six, relax. Now both legs together. Now, camel posture, Ustrasana. First Vajrasana, left leg, one, left leg, left. Two, right leg. Three, place your both hands on the knee. Now Ustrasana, remember I think. One, stand up on the knees. Two, hands on the waist, sit straight. In the beginning you have to keep straight. After the practice your body is flexible, you keep it as it is. Three, bend backward. Four, try to hold both heels with both hands. Return. Five, keep your hands on the waist. Six, step straight. 7, 8. If it is distance a little less, you lift like distance more difficult in the beginning. Do you like to practice Chakrasana? Backward bending?
Yes,
Lie down back. Legs together. One. Place your both palms beneath the shoulder. Place your both palms beneath the shoulder. Two, bend the legs. Bend the legs. Bend your both legs. Now we have to lift up trunk. Three, lift trunk up. Return. 4, 5, 6. Return. Are you able to show? You are right. Come here. Observe here. Come to my. Let's together. First you have to bend the legs or keep the hands. First leg. One, bend the legs. Two, keep your both hands like this. Three, you have to lift chest back up. Go. Return. 4, 5 hands. 6. Now we'll try. Hands straight. You have to bend legs first. One, bend your legs first. Two, keep your both hands beneath the shoulder. Now, three, slowly lift the trunk up. Good. Slowly. Return. 4, 5, 6. Relax. Instead of this, the ankle. 3, lift the trunk up. This is easy.
shoulder down.
Shoulder down. Next day. Lift the trunk up. Trunk up. Good. Easy. Return. 4, 5, 6. Relax. This is better. 2, hands like this. 3, lift the trunk up and bend the elbows together. Keep on the navel. Right leg. 4, 5, legs together. Return. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Observe once again. Peacock posture. Observe here. 1, 2, 3. This one is 3, 4, 5. This is Hansasana. Now Mayurasana, peacock posture. Slowly try to bring your body front and try to balance on the hands. Return. Slowly. One. And side. Legs together. This and this is together. Ankles and knees. Right hand. 2. Left hand. 3. Press and put on the ground. Try to put on the ground. 4. So over the right shoulder. Return. 6, 7, 8. Relax. Observe once again. Observe here. 1, 2, like this. 3. Press with the elbow and try to put on the ground. 4. Return. 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll try once again. Hands down. Left leg. 1, 2, left hand. 3, right hand. Press. Put on the ground. 4, see over the left shoulder. Try to put the return. 5, see front. Face front. 6, right hand. 7, left hand. 8, left. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Return. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll try. Exhale. 2. Right hand. 3. Press. 4. Left. 5. See over the left shoulder. Try to hold this.
Oh. It's like not.
Little difficult. Slow return. First face front. Right hand. Left hand. Right leg. Left. Now with other side. Ready? Legs separate. 6. See over the right shoulder. You miss the posture. Slowly return yourself. Return. Relax. It needs little more flex. 2, little try. 3, try to balance on the hands. Pick up. 4, 5, 6. Hands like this. Observe me. 1, 2. Slowly bring your body front. 3. Slow balance. Return. 4, 5, 6. Now slowly try. Return. Relax. 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 Legs together. Remember Varkshasana? Ready? With right leg. 1, 2, 3, and straight. Return. 4, 5, 6. The same with another leg. 1 left. 2, prana, prana. 3. Now slowly. Try. You don't put hands like leg like this. Your leg sideward. Leg sideward. 4, 5, 6. Now last one you try Virabhadrasana. Legs together. Now right leg. 1, 2. Bend the right knee. Hand straight. Return. 3, 4. Now with another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Sit down. Trikonasana postures, Ponu Mukta Part 2 and some other asana. Followed by pranayama and meditation. Now do you like to practice pranayama and meditation, or do you want to little more theory about yoga or the meaning of prayer? Which one you like? Meaning of prayer. Okay. Made up of 3 letters. A, U, Ma. I is the symbol of creation. U is the symbol of maintenance, sthiti. And Ma is the symbol of destruction. Srashti, sthiti, laya. A, U, Ma. Creation, protection, destruction. Then we chant Om. The Om suggests that the someone is cause for all these 3 reasons. Srashti, sthiti, laya. Creation, protection, destruction. Something is cause behind there. This is called reality or cosmic truth. This reality or cosmic truth is the cause for whole universe and whole all of us. That is truth. When we chant Om, we have to remember that reality. This is the meaning of Omkar. Without any word, we are unable to chant If you open the mouth and produce any sound, Akara is the root of all the sound. If you are unable to write or A, every letter or every word, the Akara is the base. And when you are opening your mouth and producing any sound and closing the mouth, automatically Makara happens. And Ma. In middle, automatically Okara happens. This is the one of the natural word. And someone says like that, this is the only word comes first from the mouth Brahman. This is the first word came out from the Brahman. Om. Whenever chanting Om, we have to feel that reality. This is the meaning of Omkara. Any doubt? Any questions about Omkara? Okay. Now we will bow down to the Guru Guru is, if you taught any word any word or single letter from anybody, he is the Guru. He is the common Guru. And Guru means the knowledge which comes from that. That is the real Guru. The every knowledge comes from that reality only. We are all based on that reality. Omkara suggests that reality. The real knowledge comes from that reality. This is called Brahman or reality, truth, God. It comes from that. The original Guru is that reality is the original Guru, or the original master. When you are bowing the Guru, Guru means the original reality is the real Guru. We have to bow down that reality. Om Sri Gurave Namaha. We have to go down that Guru or reality. Guru means master. The real master is the reality, truth. Any doubt? The yoga science started before 5 to 10,000 years ago. Before 5 to 10,000 years ago, there was no letters and there was no script. Only words are there. Words was there or are there? Words were there. They are Kantapati by heart. Before that they are by hearting. The Guru by hearts, then he teaches to his disciple. Disciple by hearts, again he teaches his disciple. He is the way they are coming to the spirituality and yoga sadhana. And all the Upanishads also come mouth to mouth. The same way the yoga science also comes mouth to mouth. In this, the Patanjali Rishi, who written all the yogic science in systematic way, he is called Patanjali Rishi. He collected the book that is called Patanjali Yoga Sutra. The book is with his name, Patanjali Rishi. Someone says Patanjali Rishi written 3 books. One is yogic book, second is grammar book, third one is Ayurveda. In English it is called Ayurveda only, I think. Ayurveda. These 3 books are written by Patanjali. Someone says the Manitanaliki family. The Patanjali family written these 3 books. Someone says Patanjali one he written the 3 books. We understand Patanjali has written these 3 books. In this prayer, they pray the Patanjali and go down to the Patanjali. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yo apakarotam pravaram muninam Patanjalim pranjali ranatosmi. Ranatosmi means you have to bow, going down. Namaskar. Ranatosmi. We are going down to whom? Patanjali. Who is the Patanjali? He is the Pravara, means Srestha. He is the greatest of all Rishis. Patanjali is the greatest of all Rishis. Such a greatest Rishi we have to bow down. Why we have to bow down? The Patanjali written 3 books. Yoga Shastra, Yoga, Grammar and Ayurveda. What these 3 science does? The yogic science does apakarotam means to relief, nivarane madukante. Relief. Yoga Shastra relief the mental stress and strain. Mental kalusha means ashuddhate, impurity. Impurity. The yoga relieves the impurity of the mind. And grammar, Vyakarana Shastra. Grammar comes to impurity of our tongues and words. And words in such a sense, someone is talking, will feel very pleasant climate in the surrounding. Someone talks very anger and very inactive or negative surroundings that creates. Whenever you're talking, only the positive environment should be created. This is the real grammar. This is the real grammar. Yoga, grammar, and Ayurveda. In the yoga practice, it is able to cure all the diseases. To some extent, it's not possible. Whenever the bacteria attacks to our body, it is not possible to cure through the yoga. For that, the medicine is necessary. Suppose we have got any accident, we have broken our legs and hands. At that time, the yoga doesn't help to us. At that time, Ayurveda, medical science is necessary. For that, Patanjali written these three books: Yoga book, Yoga, Grammar, and Ayurveda. Ayurveda relieves our whole body illnesses. That's why the great Rishi written these three books and gives the mankind. Therefore, it is the greatest among all the Rishis, and it cures three things: mental illness and physical illness and Shabda, grammar, language illness. Therefore, we are going down, or we are doing the pranam to the Patanjali. He is the greatest of all the Rishis, he said. I tried little. If you don't understand something, you can say. Otherwise, if you like to say something more than this, you can say also.
No vacha karmani.
House and villages. Ancient days, all the disciples who want to learn, they used to go towards Rishis, master. The master used to stay in the forest, usually. And all the students goes towards master, and all those are sitting in the under tree or in the some small huts, and they are learning each other. And at that time, the Rishis, masters and disciples prayed together to the God. Oh God, Om Sahanavat. Oh God, protect all of us. Sahanavat. Om Sahanavat. Sahanav Bhunaktu. You be us to be all together. You try to be us all together. Sahanavatu nammellaru koodiru hage maadu. Sahanavatu sahanav bhunaktu. Saha viryankaravavahe. We have to be able to gain knowledge and energy, all positive energy. We have to be like that. Sahanavatu sahanav bhunaktu saha viryankaravavahe. Tejasvi namadhitamastu. Which we gained the positive knowledge. This all the knowledge will be spread everywhere in the universe like light. Saha viryankaravavahai tejasvinamadhitamastu ma vidvishavahay. Ma means no, not. Dvesha likantari? Hatredness. Don't come hatredness between guru, master and disciple, and disciples each other also. Each other does not happen that hatredness. Ma vidvishavai. If you utter maha, maha means to increase. The dvesha, yenandra sabda ka? Hatredness will increase. You will pray like that. If you utter maha, ma means don't. No, it is reduced. Ma vidvishavai. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shanti. If he is uttered only once Shanti, it is more than enough. But they uttered 3 times. 3 times means we have got 3 gunas: Sattva, Raja, Tama. Satvik, Rajasik, Tamsik.
Anger.
I try to explain. Satvik means very calm and but very positive attitudes all over the surrounding. Positive attitude, it is sattvic. Rajasic means little activeness, angerness. This is Rajasic Manavritti. And Tamsika means very dull. He doesn't understand anything. Dullness. This is Tamsic. Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamsic. These 3 gunas are there. And in these 3 states also we will be happy, calm and quiet. This is Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And one more is Jagra, Swapna, Supti. Jagra means the awakening state. Awakening state. Swapna means dreamy state, and Supta means the deep sleep state. In the three states also, we have to be calm and quiet and happiness. That's why they said thrice Shantihi, Shantihi, Shanti. This is the meaning of Sahanavata. This is the Sanskrit literature. If you want something, you can ask.